Welcome to our guide on trigonometry. Today, we are going to unlock the mystery of the right triangle using a simple, powerful mnemonic device known as SOH CAH TOA. Whether you are studying for a math test or just curious about how triangles work, this method will make remembering the ratios incredibly easy. First, let's understand the shape we are working with. Trigonometry relies heavily on the right triangle. A right triangle is defined by having one 90-degree angle, often marked with a small square. The side directly opposite this 90-degree angle is called the hypotenuse. It is always the longest side of the triangle. Aside from the hypotenuse, the names of the other two sides depend on which angle we are looking at. We usually label our angle of interest with the Greek letter theta. The side directly across from theta is called the opposite side. The side next to theta, that is not the hypotenuse, is called the adjacent side. There are three primary trigonometric ratios that connect the angles to the side lengths. These are sine, cosine, and tangent. In mathematical equations, you will see them abbreviated as SIN, COS, and TN, but we pronounce them as sine, cosine, and tangent. Now, let's start with the first part of our mnemonic. So, this stands for sine equals opposite over hypotenuse. If you want to find the sine of an angle, you simply take the length of the opposite side and divide it by the length of the hypotenuse. Next is CAH. This stands for cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse. To find the cosine of an angle, you divide the length of the adjacent side by the length of the hypotenuse. Finally, we have TOA. This stands for tangent equals opposite over adjacent. For the tangent ratio, you divide the length of the opposite side by the length of the adjacent side. Notice the hypotenuse is not used here. Putting it all together, we get SOH CAH TOA. Say it out loud. SOH CAH TOA. This single phrase holds the key to all three formulas. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. Let's try a quick example. Suppose we want to find the sine of angle theta in this triangle. We know the hypotenuse is 5 and the side opposite to theta is 3. Remembering so, we know sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So, we divide 3 by 5, giving us 0.6. To wrap up, remember that trigonometry connects angles to side lengths in right triangles. The first step is always to identify your hypotenuse, opposite, and adjacent sides. Then, just use SOH CAH TOA to choose the correct ratio. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.